I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money on KuCoin, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the KuCoin website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You'll need to provide your email address and set a password. Step 2. Verify your identity. Complete the KYC Know Your Customer process by submitting the required identification documents. This step is essential for security and compliance. Step 3. Navigate to the deposit section. Once your account is set up and verified, log in and go to the Assets tab. Click on Deposit to access the deposit options. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and complete the deposit. After entering the necessary details, confirm the transaction. You may need to wait for the funds to appear in your account, which can take some time depending on the method used. Remember, if you are using a bank transfer, check that your bank allows transactions to cryptocurrency exchanges, as some banks may block these. Happy trading!